Fuega says Sammy Gyamfi and my mama parts. Sam's on money $800 so so money no man $100,000 square na
na me kura obi sem sika me mani bi na ade no do mama bi onye nipa
sika no kra grada no nani amere a na nka Sammy Gyamfi wa hye mama panini incoming president am here the vice na wa hye nanim na nka wo kai sika e de ahye nsem entinya grada no me ho tini mu no hwe a no hwim sika ni na na usika ya wi mo Sammy Gyamfi nsem mo baba be born ko adu go for go sit down go waje
he deserves to give me and I need more.
He's swimming in money in dollars enti omuhwe na Ibrahim Mamba I equip this boy to the sense now you can share dollars. Now where's Ibrahim Mamba?
John Dramani Mahama JM Obecha 8 years.
Ada for Sammy Gyamfi na kofa ba yi o wedi ye wono wani jejereje na enya asem ketwa e wo honum ni nyina efa na wotwe awie ye na nsema wodu a ebeto odwa efa evangelist my part ana afenso no Sammy Gyamfi nkita wodi a chese dollars bi nsem bi kura epiem eno na chese nkrofo abeka nsem de afa ho yie pa enya asem ketwa na edi afia hwa snega abeka sa de afa wo mafo a e kan nsem de fa nsem a ekoso anase sika bia Sammy Gyamfi ede mama party ehu ese obia enka na no antum adenti na Sammy Gyamfi ema mama party ka nkofo eka ho ensem sanso na lawyer Him-Maurice ampaw so one de oba ne wa be fire eye Sammy Gyamfi ye pa enya asem ketua ende yenkoni ekoti ensem odo bia eye efiasra snega abeka ede afa sika Sammy Gyamfi ede mama party ehu
this Fuega says Sammy Gyamfi and my mama parts. Sam's on money $800 so so money no man $100,000 square na Agrada is Agrada. Agrada is like me. Obi echiama yeyo. When you brand food soldiers wo and no dia ma Agrada. Food soldier go shia na jibie. Oh papa, go and sit down. Go and sit down. Eye ni sika, you open on there. Sana wo dia score dia ma Agrada na moka. Oh, Sammy Gyamfi, mommy told me your friend Hair by Jam. Hair by Jam. I think mommy need Hair by Jam. And one and you told me, girl, when they need you for cry $1,000. Sammy Gyamfi, you need to be the auto 10. Go and sit down. Or the my grada one now go family woman. And come on for my grada or family woman. What but some senior apostle like Jessica? I was Sammy Gyamfi what they bear kwantra moto na mo bi dem ano na full soldiers na full soldiers na ene o ma wo se sika no kra grada no nani amere a na nka Sammy Gyamfi wa hye ma me panini incoming president am here the vice na wa hye nanim na nka wo kai sika e de ahye nsem entinya grada no me ho tini mu no hwe a no hwim sika ni na usika ya wi mo Sammy Gyamfi nsem mo baba be born ko adu ene fellows of so kwache so nya den fellows of so kwache phone na kwa fellows of so kwache no munim ne bo phone na ya na fellows of so kwache ni better TV so no munim ne bo munya wore this is just tabagana and these food soldiers me kana komasum ha ubufu a udidi atama mama na anim no ono na aye no because you don't fucking know me. Senior prophetess Ajiska when you say anomo janka jina ona Sammy Gyamfi brabetie oni pa bia grada be wudi bia obaje no including Mama Lord sama boda mama genya aduma senior prophetess yaje wo be saji bio ayama party no and then campus over party t-shirt no jam truck so hey go and say go and sit down go waje jo mahama kwa wo hia na wo beje wa won je ase kosu waje fako Sammy Gyamfi esika no odie na nko ma me di waje me die moto abama NDC no Sammy Gyamfi esika no odie enko ma me di die wo papa dia na wo di ni nyafu sena moti wo kasa mira ba wo nia bag aya mo re Sammy Gyamfi watch o chama be kan bo achira mo you've not seen anything you are scan wodi wo ya aduma ma o my Ghana no ma meji pay was Shua LLC. Yes, kana Sammy Gyamfi di no. One timi medu papa de. Wo ya du mama state ni de. Our money, our money, our money, our money, our money. Wo ya du mama state ni de. Eno wan obedi. Na obedi na nyafu so. Ai.
It's not easy being the one everyone.
Mommy, be it a fellow hair by jail. You back with $1,000. Sammy Gyamfi what me just 10,000. And the battle say, I know the man grada, Mama yaso, say, I know the man grada, say message in a good say I met his wife at a shop and the lady bought 10 hairs. Each one is $1,000. I got shocked. The number of y'all should go and check Hair by James page and the price and confirm what I'm saying. Hair by James Mudia checking in me bo Sammy Gyamfi wrote me to 10 sikano de ma grada na yene fanto we ba ko mo fra grada so waje after all enye ye na ra assassin na grada wo ya Nigeria ni sumu ya sadi akuma ya rebe kumo because some of us we collect from all angles and we will collect a national cake unya bia obinya bi enkasa sa politician mo biska enye wano tefe se media imuruso emma meye dede na politician wan kwankodo no nyaaye eye national cake agrada no de man no oye Ghana ni Sammy Gyamfi last year no wait me obi $800 wudi chance this abuafu enye wa ma me nkosa line no ni bie enye ya huni papa ni edi yo you me agrada yes a necessary devil me am to it I am the necessary evil you need me more than I need you go and sit down John Mahama agrada nya na obeje no agrada shia don obeje no why any fellas ofosu kwashe politics a game use your head neja na me una ayo foot soldier na head go and sit down so kwache na phone na ha o mu esie phone na kwa fellas ofosu kwache no mumusa ne bo oba ba mu how many months ni
Arafo na jesensem yi kwa na ekoso we de lawyer Morris ampaw so wa be fire Sammy Gyamfi ye pa enya asem ko se Sammy Gyamfi ye de wo ye CEO lanse ya ena wa fiase a wo cha dalasi ende e wo se ye ma yani ekọ ho ye pa ende small do na ena ka we hu a lawyer Morris ampaw abetoto e de ama ne Sammy Gyamfi yenko ni enkotie bi embra
is swimming money in dollars enti omuhe na Ibrahim Mamba I equipped this boy to the sense now you can share dollars. Now where's Ibrahim Mamba? Ibrahim Mamba should come out and explain the behavior of the boy and or things say why should Sammy Gyamfi still be at gold board? This is national disgrace, is embarrassment to the nation. And the way NDC full soldiers, social media, NDC full soldiers, and I'm thinking from tomorrow up to night, we know weekly in the media might call. Freeze the account of Sammy Gyamfi. About to be planning and suspended. No, some are supposed to say justice. No, Sammy Gyamfi ought to be suspended as a gold board CEO for investigations because you don't want him to interfere with the investigations. It's freeze, suspending. No, freezing the account. So she can be why it be our uncle. Money laundering. You tell I say because once I say dollars now what channel that channel. It's a make kaimu or you scaring yakoma. What I say it is a no Sammy Gyamfi will be doing what we call money laundering or shifting money here and there. NASA security by this time say a chairman who to be in a yobiaka by this time you're ready to fear. Go and raid Sammy Gyamfi's house because there are millions of dollars there. Go and raid. Check his account. That's what a serious country does. And failure to do so, Shrad boss, you have always every day missed call. Failure to do so, financial intelligence units, you'll be dealt. Failure to do so, Kisi Ejabin, Kisi Ejabin, Kisi Ejabin, I now need NDC for Ekoba. And then what you must sorry, Sammy Gyamfi is a political exposed person. It comes under your domain. Quite fast, Sammy Gyamfi is making money and sharing money to the enemies. So I gather it's Sammy Gyamfi enemies. So if enemies can get $2,000, how much friends? How much a family? Jesus Christ. And you says, I got that to me 2,000. And for example, obey 10,000. For example, problem. For example, who pay Yahiwo, University of Ghana, but it's for example, he's making money. The unexplained law, we must revise it. Sammy Gyamfi must resign. Sammy Gyamfi must have the attack. Sammy Gyamfi must resign for probe. The way also Chief Justice resignation is suspension is Sammy Gyamfi either resign or you should be suspended. And it's a challenge to Mama. Mama only country, I will London. The embarrassment is all over social media. Mama, you are in London, but before you step foot, order Sammy Gyamfi Monday to be suspended for further investigations. And a gold board for gold board NPMC for no, you must start giving us information. And prop Ibrahim Mama, Sammy Gyamfi, the dealings with Ibrahim Mama should be subject matter for so many years. What kind of deals? Send that Chamawu to me, Mukon Andy, the special aid. You went to Chamawu to be special aid to probe those. And I'm probes Ibrahim Mama on this Sammy Gyamfi dealings. No, what kind of dealings do they have? Said you trust him to go gold board. These are the call, genuine call, and I pray. Say Nyame amebo yasomuno. Samia onim say Ghana for edi here. Na we asa ye din. Ye hu ano. Nipa bre ni pesu. NDC for dodoa no komediomo. Light bill into me to water bill into me to ya. Your school fees na be. Eduane mo boy din. Yibidi benum. And now IMF any research shows say yasi nya shows say yasi be yedin. Na nya kwala ketekete o mo brother. Oni company, oni adwuma da. Onko court da. O say Ghana Bar Association kwa no to hell. O say me to me check $2,000. At this time I yasi the IS. So me check $2,000 and kano. Hey raddi. And kano no sorry. And I said oh yeah giant no or map garden will say it or you say pew Sammy Gyamfi why you are there unim sika count pa. Hey God board. And this if mama and appointees me dani no be bambo so wo yesu di mu obi biara 4 months 5 months was starting digging sika mo yem be hwie bako and you will be exposed one by one from everybody who is an appointee, minister, deputy ministers, every appointee is be a master to the sika. Na mo chichen wo sumu, na mo de ye na mo ye. Nyambi be pa mo ntama bako because ama for bread, NDC for bread, MPP for bread. Boys are bread, girls are bread. Ye di mia na obi to be sorry, chesika by heart. Na omo amabo brano. Amo ye labor of corruption. Those omobobo brano. Chama to me. Sammy Gyamfi na fe no. Chama to me yesika no. Na oma politics mo. And then Sisla Pamo. People who have made money and worked. Today they are in the investigations. And Sammy Gyamfi, who has failed to work, disrespecting the whole profession. You see, he has made so much money. So who lawyer say kwasi eduma ye ni sika. Into I say Ghana Bar Association could just go to Ebium. Yamina Pan won't come. Sammy Gyamfi. Unye who be here. Ube done also for by force. I'm telling you before God the man. The other way. A back follow you throughout the 4 years. A back humble. And then you can't go and communicate. What are you going to communicate? Who communicated $1? $1 with this so. And you don't very sure with this so. Who started to track communications? Yeah, but very sure with this so. Because what you say, we a dollar man. At home, at work, at bank, and I move bankers now. Move Muhammad Sammy Gyamfi, money laundering. Look, we are calling on the international community money laundering. Let's investigate Sammy Gyamfi for money laundering. Whatever is hiding his property, we may go after him.
Other for entrata wabra evangelist my part preachy na sorry dem and endri sama e course so fasika Sammy Gyamfi edema no e wo mu se wabetire mu de endurance wo san etire mu wabra na wo preach wo say de obi bia woni Sammy Gyamfi ebenya no na che so one mama part no woni no enya ende sai nipa ko no onfa enspell we kra ansa ne be kwakote nsema odo bia mama part editu dry na sorry dem efa sika Sammy Gyamfi edema no na me kan for tap send area ma so wam no ne na so send this card abaga na efa mobile ones bank account na say zpay kwa app store na say play store na ko download tap see this promo code but the party fashion yen cho bonus enkan wa yen to hwe medofa yen tie nsama wodu bia evangelist ma part agrada edibetu dwa efa sika Sammy Gyamfi edema no
into NDC government. Amen. Me say politics. I'm a quiet. I'm a man yashe no. Minya politics be okay. But enemy jina me musremu. Sir John Dramani Mahama JM Obecha 8 years. Amen. What would you tell me, Kasa? Okay. Nia and non politics so. Ye Jimmy ye home. Okay. Ane ba Sammy Gyamfi. Me corn in chain. One pamome, me bunko toje, yes. Me pane papa chow, one pamome, me pane mame chow, yes. One pamome, or chiame, oh yes, or two me fo, yes. Or we are all corner. Nam so na tari. Some share yes. Magic fuel, magic dollars, yes. Or tirani come. Na me kro obi sem sika me money bi na ada no no do ma me bi onya nipa he deserves to give me and I need more cause emra more God sadia no a ne ba Sammy Gyamfi ayama me no o de wini me heart because ego bia na obeye ne bone a o share wo po obere wani mo debi by upon the nipa be twa me no asem cut and paste e man call viral no we share me we say oh mama part agrada mama ne mera sabre matofo yi pamu obia we say mama agrada mera on sama me ko ya me bugo to de me say pa oluman che o mama pa NDC fo nyina youth of organizers e ma obia dia me ye no me nya bie obia fa me bone che me anya no na wa che me $800 what was it $800 no e Ghana sika $800 e sika me enye sika bia mama nya sa wo ya NDC ni ama we how oh Bible said ma wani enso de obi anya always tap into somebody's blessings. Oh yes. We say mama party mpo. And then share honorable Sammy Gyamfi. What Chinese kai. And rade mama so bi share ne mripi. Yes. Na on Chinese ska. Ba wo kasa etia. Na wo share pani bi na wo che ska. Eye no me. Yes. En kasa ntia wate. Amen. Eye me de enura. Ebe ya wo de ochena. Ebe ya wo de enne. Hwe se what wo hwe manim. Can't you receive it? Dia wachira me fear masi agada love palace na me na mu da dabi na so NDC who don't enipa more than 50 omo nyina kogu mu free me pani bia beba betina so bia me pe wasem nya me ya dom ni 8 years duru a na ba wo me aba me pe na sem obi obeba bia me pe na sem e se me nya politics emo bia na emom se de Honorable Sammy Gyamfi de wo kanwa wa kame
na ensem
abusia for na hye sensema do afia swa snigger lawyer Him-Maurice ampaw betu dwa fa sika Sammy Gyamfi ma evangelist ma part one samaches enkofo e kan one samaches omu enwie yi eno asem ene ekonekotie na afesu nchima wodo a evangelist ma part entra da wode tu dwa wo na asori dan mu ene ekonekotie mu ensem mesoso ba so fa comment eto ase onso share na kwato afase na obi ansbet maka video midi dia na osu amofa makram ye besen share ebiem
Mr. Mankwa me ofase wo se ni sika ba ne de awie ni project no eso de bia me ofase ka ma ne wo problem
enemre mu na monte tap sending kan
no so ne de
tap send ye easy fast and secured way ubetimi asend sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa awo be ne say
kire ne se won ko App Store na Play Store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebusan so promo code o ma the pet TV nshim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa akofre na ka akire
tabi minyanwie esan say tap send at the good news aba tap send the gene customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no obey ne say
so your customer wo UK sesia ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi ya yusu sika e wo wallet no tie
eni set say yusu momo Ghana hayiru
sa pepepe se si tap send atre na shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no